Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a new video. Today, we're going to make something truly special and incredibly beneficial for your health. A refreshing ginger turmeric tonic that will give your immune system a super boost. Let's take a quick look at what we'll need. Fresh ginger root, fresh turmeric root, lemon, honey, or maple syrup for a vegan option, black pepper, filtered water, and optionally, mint leaves or a pinch of cayenne pepper. All right, let's get started. First, we'll talk about the amazing benefits of our star ingredients, ginger and turmeric. Ginger and turmeric are powerhouses when it comes to boosting your immune system. Ginger has potent anti-inflammatory properties, helps with digestion, and can even relieve nausea. Turmeric, on the other hand, is known for its powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects, primarily due to its active compound, curcumin. Ginger contains compounds called gingerols and shogals that provide its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. Turmeric's curcumin helps fight chronic inflammation and supports overall health. Now that we know why these ingredients are so amazing, let's start preparing our tonic. First, we're going to prepare the ginger. You'll need about a 2-inch piece of fresh ginger root. Peel it using a spoon for ease. See how easy that is? Using a spoon helps you get around all those little nooks and crannies. Next, we have our fresh turmeric root. Be careful with this one, it can stain your hands and surfaces. I recommend using gloves or peeling it over a cutting board that you can clean easily. We'll need about a 2-inch piece of turmeric root as well. Peel it just like the ginger. Now, let's grab a lemon. We'll be using both the juice and some zest for an extra kick of flavor and vitamin C. Zest about half of the lemon, then cut it in half and juice it. Fresh lemon juice adds a bright, tangy flavor and an extra boost of antioxidants. With our ingredients prepped, it's time to make the tonic. Start by adding 4 cups of filtered water to a pot and bringing it to a boil. Once the water is boiling, reduce the heat to a simmer and add our ginger and turmeric. Let this simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes. This allows all the beneficial compounds to infuse into the water. While that's simmering, let's talk about another key ingredient, black pepper. Black pepper is crucial when using turmeric because it contains piperine, which enhances the absorption of curcumin by up to 2,000%. We'll just need a pinch. All right, our tonic has been simmering for 15 minutes. Now let's strain it into a jug. Use a fine mesh strainer to catch all the bits of ginger and turmeric. For a touch of sweetness, add about 1 to 2 tablespoons of honey or maple syrup. This is optional, but it really balances out the flavors. Make sure to stir well so the honey dissolves completely. Finally, add the juice of the lemon and a bit of the zest for that zesty flavor. And there you have it, our refreshing ginger turmeric tonic. This tonic can be enjoyed warm or chilled. Pour it into a glass and if you like, add a few mint leaves for extra freshness. You can store the remaining tonic in the refrigerator for up to a week. Just keep it in a sealed container. Cheers to your health. This ginger turmeric tonic is not only delicious, but also packed with immune-boosting benefits. I hope you give it a try and let me know how you like it in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching and see you next time with more healthy and tasty recipes. Stay healthy and happy.